Ever struggled with lumpy smoothies or ice that won't crush? Weary face emoji. Today, we're revealing the top 9 blenders that make silky smoothies and perfect crushed ice every time. Welcome to our channel, stay tuned, and check the description for the exact models we recommend to upgrade your kitchen. At number 9 is Ninja Nutri Blender. Did you know most blenders leave ice chunks or gritty smoothies behind? Astonished face emoji. That frustration ends here with the Ninja Nutri Blender. With its 900 peak watt motor, it effortlessly crushes ice and pulverizes whole fruits and veggies, giving you silky smoothies in seconds. The Pro Extractor blades feel like a secret weapon for anyone chasing perfect texture every time. We love that it blends straight into the 20-ounce to-go cups, twist on a lid, and you're ready to sip or store. Unlike some other blenders in the top 9 list, this one feels safe, reliable, and built for real-world comfort. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup painless, a relief for busy mornings. Pros: powerful, compact, and versatile. Cons: limited cup sizes for family servings. If you want a smart, everyday blender that delivers consistency and peace of mind, this is it. Tested thoroughly, we confidently say, grab it, you won't regret it. Curious how it stacks against the others on our top 9 list? Stick around, the next blender might. On number 8 is Chefman Obliterator. Ever wondered if a blender could truly handle everything, ice, frozen fruit, even hot liquids, without a struggle? Astonished face emoji. Meet the Chefman Obliterator, a 1380-watt powerhouse that makes lumpy smoothies a thing of the past. Its advanced airflow crushes ice quietly, while the auto blend function adjusts itself for perfect consistency every time. No guessing, no stress. With a massive 48-ounce Triton jar, it easily serves the whole family, unlike some smaller models in the top 9 list. Cleaning is effortless, thanks to the Clean preset or dishwasher-safe parts. The sleek, red dot award-winning design isn't just powerful, it's a kitchen centerpiece. Pros: incredible crushing power, intuitive controls, and smart presets. Cons: slightly larger footprint on the counter. Tested for real-world comfort, we recommend it for smoothie enthusiasts who want reliability and peace of mind. Curious how it compares to Ninja Nutri Blender? At number 7 is Vitamix Professional Grade Blender. Did you know most blenders struggle to get that perfectly smooth, lump-free texture? Astonished face emoji. That's where the Vitamix Professional Grade Blender steps in. With its 48-ounce container and laser-cut stainless steel blades, it powers through ice, frozen fruit, and fibrous veggies effortlessly, giving silky smoothies and creamy nut butters every time. Unlike other models in the top 9 list, the 10 automatic blending programs remove all guesswork. The self-cleaning feature adds peace of mind, just soap and water, and it's spotless in under a minute. The digital timer and tamper indicator make thick blends easy to manage, so you always get consistent results. Pros: premium build, versatile programs, and long-lasting performance. Cons: higher price point. Tested in real kitchens, we recommend it for anyone serious about smoothies, soups, or frozen treats. Truly a smart, reliable choice. Curious how it compares to the Chefman Obliterator? The next segment unveils the differences you'll care about. On number 6 is Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender. Ever poured a smoothie only to find chunks of ice ruining the texture? Grimacing face emoji. That's where the Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender changes the game. With 800 watts of peak blending power and Wave Crusher stainless steel blades, it crushes ice and frozen fruits effortlessly, giving silky, lump-free smoothies every time. This blender comes with a 40-ounce glass jar for family servings and a 20-ounce travel jar for on-the-go convenience, perfect for busy mornings. 6 blending functions plus pulse let you control texture with precision. Compared to other models in our top 9 list, it's compact, reliable, and surprisingly quiet. Pros: easy to use, versatile, and solid performance. Cons: slightly smaller power than high-end models like Vitamix. Tested in real kitchens, we recommend it for anyone who wants consistent smoothies without fuss, smart, safe, and dependable. Curious how it stacks up against the Ninja Nutri Blender? Stick around, the next comparison might surprise. At number 5 is NutriBullet Personal Blender. Ever tried making a smoothie, only to hear a blender roar like a jet engine? Flushed face emoji, that's where the NutriBullet Personal Blender Ultra shines. Its 1200-watt motor crushes ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens in seconds, all while running surprisingly quietly. The rapid extractor blade with titanium coating ensures smooth, consistent blends every time, saving you precious morning minutes. Compact and stylish, it fits easily on any countertop, unlike some bulkier models in our top 9 list, yet still delivers professional-grade results. Tried and Renew cups are durable, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe, giving peace of mind with every use. Pros? Powerful, quiet, and easy to clean. Cons? Single serve only, family smoothies require multiple blends. Tested for real-world comfort, we recommend it for busy individuals craving quick, perfect smoothies without the mess or noise. Curious how it compares to Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender? Stick around, the next reveal might surprise you. At number 4 is Colarlemo Smoothie Blender. Ever struggled with a blender that just can't crush ice or frozen fruit properly? Grimacing face emoji, that's where the Colarlemo Smoothie Blender comes in. With its 1200-watt motor spinning up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, it pulverizes tough ingredients and ice in seconds, giving you creamy smoothies, protein shakes, and even sauces without any chunks. The upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blades are a game changer, extracting maximum nutrition from fruits and veggies, unlike some blenders in our top 9 list that leave stubborn bits behind. 3 versatile cup sizes and simple one-touch operation make it perfect for single servings or family-sized drinks, while non-slip feet keep it safe and stable. Pros? Powerful, fast, and easy to clean. Cons? Needs brief cooling after heavy use. Tested in real kitchens, we recommend it for anyone craving reliable, high-speed blending and on-the-go convenience. Curious how it compares to NutriBullet? Keep watching, you'll see the difference in speed. On number 3 is BLACK+DECKER Multifunction Blender. Ever tried blending ice, only to get a lumpy mess instead of a smooth, creamy drink? Grimacing face emoji, the BLACK+DECKER Multifunction Blender tackles that problem head-on. Its 700-watt motor and 4-tip Quad Pro blades create a vortex that pulls every ingredient into the mix, crushing ice and frozen fruit quickly and efficiently. The 6-cup glass jar feels solid and premium, unlike some smaller plastic models in our top 9 list, and the perfect pour spout makes serving mess-free. 4 speed settings, including pulse, let you control texture precisely, smoothies, shakes, or icy cocktails. Cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe parts, giving peace of mind after busy mornings. Pros? Powerful, reliable, and easy to clean. Cons? Slightly less punch for very tough blends. Tested in real kitchens, we recommend it for anyone wanting a dependable, everyday blender that makes life easier and delicious. At number 2 is Sangcon Portable Blender. Ever wished you could enjoy a fresh smoothie anywhere, gym, office, or on a picnic, without a bulky blender? Astonished face emoji, the Sangcon Portable Blender makes it possible. Its 1000 watts motor and 6-leaf stainless steel blades crush ice, frozen fruit, and tough greens in seconds, delivering smooth, creamy drinks wherever you are. Unlike other models in our top 9 list, Sangcon comes with 3 versatile BPA-free travel cups, 24-ounce, 17-ounce, and 10-ounce, perfect for shakes, juices, or even coffee grinding on the go. The reinforced gear base, T-seal ring, and anti-slip feet ensure stability and longevity, giving peace of mind every use. Cleanup is effortless, and a handy recipe guide makes it a daily essential. Pros? Powerful, portable, and versatile. Cons? Smaller capacity for family servings. Tested in real kitchens, we recommend it for active lifestyles needing speed, convenience, and reliability. Curious how it compares to NutriBullet for personal use? Stick around, the next reveal. Now moving to the last one is OMMO Blender. Ever tried making a family-sized smoothie, only to run out of space mid-blend? Flushed face emoji, the OMMO Blender solves that with a massive 68-ounce BPA-free pitcher, perfect for meal prep, parties, or fitness fans craving multiple servings in one go. Its 1400 watt motor, 1800 watt peak, powers through ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients in seconds, leaving no chunks behind. With 6 stainless steel blades, adjustable speed, and pulse control, you get precise texture for smoothies, soups, or even chunky salsa. The built-in timer offers hands-free blending, so you can multitask without worry. Compared to other top 9 blenders like Sangcon or NutriBullet, it's ideal for families needing volume without sacrificing consistency. Pros: powerful, precise, and easy to clean. Cons: larger footprint on the counter. Tested in real kitchens, we recommend it for anyone who wants reliability, versatility, and peace of mind. Curious how it stacks up against Chefman Obliterator? Keep watching, the next comparison might surprise you. After testing all top 9 blenders for smoothies and ice, the clear winner is the Vitamix professional grade blender. Why? Its powerful motor and precision blending programs deliver the smoothest results every time, from icy drinks to hot soups, without guesswork. The self-cleaning feature and durable build give peace of mind and long-term reliability. It's versatile, consistent, and worth the investment for anyone serious about everyday blending. If you want one blender that truly transforms your kitchen experience, this is the one to buy. Curious how it compares in price and performance? I've got those details next. So guys, this was the video about the top 9 best blender for smoothies and ice. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.